My name is Bret, the founder of Implant Concierge and director of guided surgery. I've had a really amazing experience here at the CIA these last 2 days. I think what's really surprised me is how purposeful the conversation has been. It wasn't just, here's surgery, here's all next, here's what we're gonna do. It's bringing in the prosthodontist, having him speak and give perspective that maybe these guys haven't seen or heard of. The time that he spoke about the restorative aspect of it, all the tips and tricks, showing the cases, but also showing a lot of literature to blend it all together was really impressive. And then that was followed up with an amazing presentation from Dr. Capitan, connected it back to them from a surgical aspect, which is what obviously the doctors are craving for. The other thing that I've been really impressed by, just from yesterday before we even got in today, the cadaver lab, was just the purposeful time that was set aside for the attendees to be together, share stories, to connect, and really just overhearing a lot of the conversations, whether it be personal, but just a ton of camaraderie being built. How do you do this? And if this, then what? And just hearing the feedback and having Dr. Capitan, Dr. Dawson engage in those types of conversations, the amount of knowledge and wisdom being passed on is really impressive. Of course, having the chance today to come to the cadaver lab and having the doctors get to experience free-handed with the oversight of Dr. Koford and Dr. Capitan, turning around and also having a guided experience, comparing, contrasting, see what best fits in their hands, and understand the pros and cons of each. It's a very unique experience that I've never been a part of, so it's been really amazing.